Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 21st at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up I do have a correction to make from the Good Deals and Glitch List video. I did put the correction in the pinned comment of that video, but just in case anybody missed it, I did make a mistake on the 1 off 1 Believe Beauty coupon. That is actually a DG store coupon, and when we have freebies with DG store coupons, it actually does not give us overage. It will just bring that product down to 1 penny. All right, so just keep that in mind. We are not going to get 25 cents in overage on the Believe Beauty products. And of course, just as a quick friendly reminder, don't forget that I have uploaded a bunch of videos for you guys this week, so make sure that you go and check them out if you haven't already. I'm going to have every single one of them linked and listed for you down in the pinned comment below. And then I also uploaded the 5 off $25 scenario video for Family Dollar earlier this morning, so make sure that you go and check it out. So jumping right in, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices do vary from store to store, and unfortunately we're seeing a lot of price increases right now. I mean, big increases, like $1 increase. So make sure that you guys are price checking your products. Now, we're also going to be going over a few gain scenarios today, so especially for gain scenarios, you want to make sure that you scan, because you want to make sure that that gain DG store coupon shows up underneath each and every gain or gain scented product, because the gain DG store coupon does not always work with all gain products or all gain scented products. Alright, so for our first scenario, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain Scented Swiffer liquid refills priced at $6.75 each, 2 of the Gain Scented Swiffer mopping cloth refills priced at $5.50 each, 2 of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $4 each, 2 of the Gain Scented Febreze products priced at $3.25 each. You can choose from the air freshener sprays, the wax melts, or the small spaces. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.45. You can choose from the powdered laundry detergent, the flings, the fireworks, the fabric softener, or the dryer sheets. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. And that's going to put your subtotal at $45.45. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to need that 10 off 40 Gain DG store coupon, your 5 off 25, the 10 off 2 Swiffer products, the 6 off 2 Swiffer products, the 325 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 330 off 2 Febreze, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $2.90 for 11 items, making each one just 26 cents each. Now, for those of you out there who do not have the Crest and Oral-B products, if you do this transaction without the Crest and Oral-B, that is going to put your subtotal at $43.45. After all of your coupons come off, that's going to put you at $4.90 for 9 items, making each one just 45 cents each. Right, now for our next deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain Scented Swiffer mopping cloth refills priced at $5.50 each, 2 of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners priced at $4 each, 2 of the Gain Scented Febreze products priced at $3.25 each, and 1 of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.45. Then you want to pick up 1 of the Gain products from the dollar aisle for $1. They usually have the dish soap, the laundry detergent, and the dryer sheets. Then throw in the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1 and the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $32.95. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to need that 7 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, the 5 off 25, the 6 off 2 Swiffer products, the 325 off 2 Mr. Clean products, the 330 off 2 Febreze, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $3.40 for 10 items, making each one just 34 cents each. Now, if you don't have the Oral-B and Crest, don't worry about it. Just leave it off of this scenario. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.95, and after all of your coupons have been applied, that's going to leave you paying $5.40 for 8 items, making each one just 67 cents each. Alright, now for our next deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain Scented Swiffer liquid refills priced at $6.75 each, 2 of the Gain Scented Swiffer mopping cloth refills priced at $5.50 each, 2 of the Gain Scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners of $4 each, 1 of the Gain laundry products priced at $4.45, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. That's going to put your subtotal at $38.95. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to need that 7 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, your 5 off 25, the 10 off 2 Swiffer products, the 6 off off 2 Swiffer, the 3.25 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 1 off 1 Gain Laundry, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $2.70 for 9 items, making each one just 30 cents each. And again, if you don't have the Oral-B and Crest, that's going to put your subtotal at $36.95. And after coupons, you're going to pay $4.70 for 7 items, making each one just 67 cents each. All right, now for our next scenario, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft 8-count Mega Rolls priced at $5.95 and make sure that those are the scented tubes. Then you want to pick up one of the Finish Power 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, 2 of the Palmolive dish soaps that are on sale, 2 for $4, 3 boxes of the Kleenex 72-count for $1 each, 1 of the Lysol multi-purpose cleaners for $1, 1 of the Splenda 3.8-ounce bags for $2.75, 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each, 1 of the emergency 2 counts at $1, 1 of the Believe Beauty nail polishes or the nail files for $1, 2 of the Friskies Grillers pouches at 90 cents each, the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1, and the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $27.85. And here is your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft bath tissue, the 150 off 1 Finish product, the 50 cents off 1 Palmolive dish soap, the 1 off 3 Kleenex, the 50 cent off 1 Lysol product, the 2 off 1 Splenda product, the 150 off 3 American greeting cards, the 1 off 1 Emergency, the 1 off 1 Believe Beauty product, the 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to bring your subtotal down to $8.85. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1 rebate back on the Angel Soft scented bath tissues, 75 cents back on the Finish Power dishwasher tablets, and then we also have a $1.25 back on the Friskies Griller pouches when you purchase 2. And then you're also going to send me a receipt to the coupons.com app and get back 50 cents on that second Palmolive that you purchased. That's going to bring your final price down to $4.35 for 18 items, making each one just 24 cents each. And again, if you don't have the Oral-B and Crest, don't worry about it. Just leave it off of this scenario. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.85. After coupons, you're going to pay $10.85 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $4 from Ibotta and 50 cents back on coupons. That's going to make your final price $6.35 for 16 items, making each one just 39 cents. All right, now next up, we have a food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up 4 of the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. They're on sale, 3 for $4. 1 bag of the Lay's chips at $3.60. 1 of the Pepsi or Diet Pepsi 2 liters at $2.30. 3 of the Reese's Blossom Top Peanut Butter Cups at $6.50. They're on sale. Buy 2, get 1 for free. 1 of the Splenda 3.8-ounce bags at $2.75. 2 of the Captain Crunch or the Oops All Berries cereals at $1 each. 1 Finish Power 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85. 3 of the American greeting cards at 50 cents each. 1 of the Emergency 2 counts at $1. 1 Oral-B toothbrush at $1. And 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $29.50. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 2 off 10 Dr. Pepper products, your 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's products, your 3 off 6 Reese's products, your 2 off 1 Splenda, your 2 off 2 Quaker, your 150 off 1 Finish, 150 off 3 American greeting cards, 1 off 1 Emergency, 2 off 1 Oral-B, and the 2 off 1 Crest. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $4.50 for 19 items. But then you're going to send me a receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back on the Splenda sweetener and 75 cents back on the Finish dishwasher tablets. So that's going to make your final price $2.75 for 19 items, making each one just 14 cents each. And again, if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Just leave it off of this scenario. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.50. After coupons, you're going to pay $6.50, but you're going to get back $1.75 from Ibotta, making your final price $4.75 for 17 items, or just 27 cents each. And for all of you amazing people out there who watch the video all the way through and stick around until the end, here is an amazing freebie that we have right now on Fetch Rewards. And you can do this at any store. So just go in, pick up 2 boxes of the Klondike cones, then submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you're going to get 100% of your money back in points. So make sure that you go and pick up those freebies before this deal expires. And if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is the easiest rebate app out there. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points no matter what on every single receipt. And then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for me for now. Man, it has been a crazy busy week. And I still have more deals that I haven't shared with you all yet. So make sure that you stick around, hit that subscribe button, make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And then while you're at it, don't forget, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways. We all love free stuff, so that's a free way that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.